Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret and today I'm going to share a very important information especially for content creators like you. So if you happen to be wondering if placing ads in your videos in YouTube or Facebook is legit, especially if they're offering a huge amount, you better watch this video. So someone messaged me and they seemed legit because I did a research on them in Google, and it resulted into that they have 4.5 star reviews, and so it seemed legit. The company seemed legit. So this is how the conversation went. Greetings, admin. I hope you are well. So their their grammar, pronunciation, I mean the spellings, everything is perfect. So I was really hesitant if they were scammers really or a legit advertising company. So here's how it went. I hope you are well. I was just passing through your Facebook page and wanted to know if you're open for paid advertising. This is very common when it comes to email spams, and now they're also in Instagram. We're looking for Facebook page influencers for our clients' advertising campaigns. We look forward to hearing from you. So that message alone is perfect when it comes to grammar. So, but I actually had a hint that it might be similar to other scammers spread throughout the internet. So I replied like this so that I can investigate further because I wanted to have a content specific to this kind of situation. All right, sure. What campaign do you have? Good evening. We do sponsored advertising. We buy Facebook ads. We provide you ads. You need to place these ads on the side of your page and get paid for it. We partner with brands like Nike. So if you can see though, this is one red flag. The brands that they are stating is already in incorrect spelling. The capitalization is incorrect. So Nike, Adidas, Fila, Puma, and we also provide ads for Amazon affiliates, so they don't really know which letters to capitalize in this sentence already. So it's already shaky. Products that match the quality of the page. We will send you 5 created ads daily, and you will choose 2 of them for 12 hours and place them yourself. Then you get paid for ad placement. We will pay $100 per ad, $200 daily. That itself is a red flag, guys. It's too good to be true. No one's going to pay you for that, especially when it comes to ads only. Even YouTube in AdSense only pays cents for ads that are viewed in videos and in web pages. So may you please show proof of legitimacy? Thanks. We are absolutely legit. It's easy to differentiate between the legit and scammer. We have verified advert account of Facebook. None of the scammer owned a verified advert account. Facebook always verifies a legitimate agency and we are one of them. You don't need to be worried at all. Kitsagilad. What will be your process? So I was really trying to dive in deeper because they might give up because I have been interrogating them thoroughly. So we will provide you created ads and you will place those ads by yourself. When you see the payment in your account, we can pay you via any payment method you prefer, like PayPal, Bankwire, Western Union, Union Pay, Google Pay, Skrill, etc. So payment first, then I get to include the ads in my videos. I will edit and you won't be asking for any access to my platform, or will I be clicking any link? Because if you're going to click links, that's also another red flag because that's already one way to hack your account. They will access your account by sending you a link which looks exactly like Facebook, but once you enter your username and your password to Facebook, voila, goodbye to your access. All right, so um, can you give me please photos of the process to help me understand better, as I do not know what an advert account and what the approval stage is. We will send you ads over your business account via our business account through email, and you can see the ads there and also can place from there. You get paid for the ad placement. Let me know your email address to send you ads. When you receive the ads, we pay you instant and we give it start. Wrong grammar already. The ads that you send, are they via links or are they videos already? Sorry, I avoid links. So I'm making it harder for them. You received an invitation mail from Facebook. So this is the fishy part. They actually sent an email with a domain at facebookmail.com. And it was funny because wrong spelling na dayon siya. Advert approval instead of advert approval. So that's another red flags. I have been seeing a lot of red flags already. So I was just maintaining the conversation to make sure how this will end. And then a lot of my friends were scammed recently, and the internet right now is pretty scary. I have one friend whose huge Facebook page, around 88,000 followers, was already hijacked by a scammer. So I don't want that to happen to my hard-earned page. I've been working for this for already 4 years. And then don't worry about that. Our work is fully genuine and completely safe. We don't need any kind of access and adminship of your page. We just set placement through business manager account. And then I said, I need the full terms and agreement, please, for this. First, you need to complete verification process when Facebook approves your page for sponsored ads. Then we send you terms and agreement. What? Every time you go into agreement with a company, it should be signing first before the actual process that you are bound to do with the company. So, another red flag. How does the verification go? Let me know your email address. There you received invitation mail from Facebook. I actually gave them a legit Facebook email, but it was somehow for an inactive account. Also, accept my request in Instagram, or also kindly accept my request in Instagram. I would like to see your posts too to know if they're really legit or not. Because I've been seeing posts around the around internet. After I Googled them, they actually have genuine posts, and it seemed really legit. The website seemed really legit. Kindly check your Gmail inbox and go to social mail email. Will be there the email from Facebook for verified advert account. You have to verify yourself with Facebook and join our business. So when I checked and I saw the wrong spelling of advert approval, I did not click any link because I tried to hover. It did route me to Facebook, but it will be asking for your username and password. Never do that through a link that you don't trust. And then he tried to follow up. Have you received Facebook verified advert invitation? So it's trying to pressure you, trying to rush you, and if you can see, it's already an Instagram user. So the user has already deactivated the account. So it's really a confirmation that he or she is a scammer and a hacker. So please do be careful with these kinds of conversations, especially when it involves sending emails to your Facebook account or sending links for you to click. Please avoid that. Please keep your identity, especially your social media accounts, safe from hackers, as this may harm not only yourself but also the people who are connected to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. Do share this video if you want your friends to know as well. And please don't forget to like and follow my page on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel in YouTube. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye! And if you need any topics from me that I may know, please do leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much and have a great day, lovies. Ta-ta!